We'll be right back after this short break with more episodes of Abby Hatcher. Stay tuned. BabyFirst presents All Together Now.
Make my squishy, squeezy glow masks.
Squishy, squeezy glow masks? Try saying that 3 times fast.
Squishy, squeezy glow masks. Squishy, squeeby go max. Squishy, gleezy ghost wax. Phew! Did I get it?
Almost.
Well, I don't care how you say it.
Here you are, Henry, the menu. What would you like to eat today, huh?
Not this. No. No. Wow! Henry wants to eat some guacamole today.
Some yummy guacamole? My dear friend Henry, do you want anything instead of the guacamole?
What could I possibly want more than a guacamole?
Oh, I'm afraid we don't have any avocado. We can't make guacamole without avocado. I'm sorry.
Really? No avocado?
I didn't know Henry would want the guacamole. If I had known, I would buy some avocado.
Oh my. Henry will find some avocado. Olé!